We are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up.
Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, malusog. Sana lagi kang maging malambing, masayahin, at higit sa lahat may takot sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, anak! Ang cute-cute mo, pero dati sobrang tahimik mo ngayon, sobrang kulit mo na talaga.
When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were
Happy birthday, Eli! Happy birthday, Eli!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Eli!
So, it's your first birthday. Happy birthday. Be bright.
Okay, ayusin natin.
Make your parents proud.
Happy birthday, Eli! I always wish for your good health and I hope you'll grow up to be a wonderful kid. Happy birthday, Eli! Happy birthday, Eli!
Sana paglaki mo maging di bulalo, manang-mana sa lolo. I love you!
Maging mananampalataya, yun. Maging masunurin, mapagmahal sa magulang. Love you, baby love.
Happy birthday, Eli! Love you!
Happy birthday, Eli!
Mas gwapo pa rin si Tito.
Ito lang sa'yo, Eli, is lumaki kang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos.
O, Papo, partner! Tayo yung magka-partner eh. Kaya dapat ito, walit ka palang partner na tayo. Kaya be good boy. Aalagaan kita ng todo-todo.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful.
So, super happy kami na dumating ka sa buhay namin. And then sana gayahin mo yung footstep ng parents mo. I'm sure magiging successful.
Happy birthday, Eli! We love you!
Adventure begins.
Happy birthday, Eli!
Maging maayos ang pag-aaral mo po. Sana maging malusog ka at lumaki kang mabait.
Sana tuloy-tuloy ang paglaki mo ngayon. Simula 1, 2, 3 hanggang sa makapag-asawa ka. Happy birthday, Eli! We love you!
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a
Sa Eli, etong time na to, for sure, naiintindihan mo na ngayon. Ngayon na may isip ka na, tapos naiintindihan, nauunawaan mo na yung mga bagay-bagay. Gusto lang namin na malaman mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sobra.
the adventure begins.
Yak na. Years from now, hopefully, si Mama naman ang inaalagaan mo. You care for your Mama as I care for you now. And be a good boy kay Lolo, Lola, Mamshi, Papshi, Daddy, Mami, at kila Tita, Tito.
I love you,
Anak!